Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the standard and the general equation of a circle. Let us first define what a circle is. A circle is a set of all points in a plane at a given distance called the radius from a given point called the center. Let x, y, the point x, y as coordinates of a point on the circle shown. The center is at the point HK and the radius is R. Use the distance formula to find the equation of the circle. D is equal to the square root of the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 to the power of 2 plus the quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 to the power of 2. Let x sub 1, y sub 1 as the point that corresponds to the center HK of a circle. And let x sub 2, y sub 2 be your any point on the circle. And t is equal to radius. From here, we have r is equal to the square root of the quantity x minus h to the power of 2 plus y minus k to the power of 2. The standard equation of a circle with center HK and the radius R units is given by this formula. Example: write the equation of a circle in standard form. Given the center at the point 3, 2 and the radius which is equal to 4. Our center is HK, so therefore our value of h is 3 and the value of k is 2 and the value of our radius r is equal to 4. The equation of circle in standard form is given by the quantity x minus h to the power of 2 plus the quantity y minus k to the power of 2 is equal to radius square. Substitute. H is 3, k is 2, and r is 4. Since our h here is positive 3, therefore we have here x minus 3. Our k value is 2, therefore k is 2, we have y minus 2, and the radius is 4. Simplifying, we have the standard form of the equation of a circle. Quantity x minus 3 to the power of 2 plus the quantity y minus 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 16, since 4 squared is equal to 16. Next, writing the equation of a circle in standard form given the center at the origin and the radius which is equal to square root of 5. Again, we have the origin, center, which means the point is 0, 0, and the radius is square root of 5. Substitute all the given in our standard form. Quantity x minus h to the power of 2 plus the quantity y minus k to the power of 2 equals r squared. Substitute. We have here x minus 0. The origin is 0.00, so we have h equal to 0 and k which is equal to 0. And your radius is square root of 5. Simplifying, we have x squared plus y squared equals 5. This will be cancelled, the radical and the square. Next, write the equation of a circle in standard form with center at the point 3, 4 and with radius r is equal to 3 square root of 2. So again, since we have here the standard form of the circle, this is the standard form. Note that the center is 3, 4 or at the point 3, 4 where our h is 3 and the value of k is 4. Substitute, we have here x minus the value of h is 3 to the power of 2 plus y minus the value of k here is 4 to the power of 2 equals, your r is equal to 3 square root of 2 to the power of 2. Simplifying, we have x minus 3 to the power of 2 plus y minus 4 to the power of 2 equals, simplify this one, we have 3 square which is 9 times, this will be cancelled, square root, the square root of 2 square is 2. So final answer for the standard form or standard equation of the circle is x minus 3 to the power of 2 plus y minus 4 to the power of 2 equals 9 times 2 is 18. So this will be your final equation in standard form. Next, writing the standard equation of a circle given its center and point. Let's find the equation of the circle in standard form with the center 4, negative 1, and which passes through the point negative 1, 2. Again, from the standard form of the equation of the circle, we have the quantity x minus h to the power of 2 plus the quantity y minus k to the power of 2 equals r squared. Substitute everything that you have in the given. Your center hk is equal to the center at the point 4, negative 1. And one of the points wherein the circle passes through is the point x, y. Or, let's substitute, the given is negative 1, 2. Then, you have to solve first the radius since we know what is the center of the given circle. To solve for the radius, let us use the standard form. X minus h to the power of 2 plus y minus k to the power of 2 equals radius square. Substitute everything that we have from the point and the center. Negative 1 for x, positive 4 for h, positive 2 for y, and negative 1 for k. We don't have the value of radius. Next, we have negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5, while here we have 2 minus negative 1, which is 2 plus 1, 3. So, negative 5 square plus 3 square equals r square. Negative 5 square is 25, while 3 square is 9 equals r square. Continue simplifying, we have 34 is equal to r square. Since 34 is not a perfect square, therefore, our radius is equal to the square root of 34, or approximately we have 5.83. You are to find or to write the standard equation of a circle. So, the decimal form of your radius answer is not that necessary. The final answer is in standard equation of our standard form of the equation of a circle. So we have the final answer. The quantity x minus 4 to the power of 2, since our center hk is 4, negative 1, plus y plus the quantity y plus 1 to the power of 2 equals, your r square is 34. So we only need this one, r square. So this will be the standard equation or standard form of the circle rather. Next. Here. Write the standard equation of a circle in standard form with center at the point 4, -2 and passes through the point 7, 1. Again, let's make use of this standard form to solve for the radius muna. So, let's find the radius first. Knowing that we have all the given center HK, which is equal to +4, -2, and your point XY, which is 7, 1. Substitute everything sa ating standard form. So, we have x, 7, minus your h, 4 to the power of 2, plus y, 1, minus your k is -2. So, use another parenthesis para hindi po magulo. Square equals your unknown radius square. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 to the power of 2 plus, this one will be negative and negative positive. 1 plus 2 is 3 to the power of 2 equals radius square. 3 square plus 3 square means 9 plus 9 equals radius square. And we have 18 equals radius square. Our radius is equal to, if we take square root of both sides, we can cancel this one, r na lang. And we will have here positive, negative, 9 times 2, so we have 3 square root of 2. But since we are just looking for the standard equation of a circle, we can rewrite now the standard equation by using again this form, standard form. X minus h to the power of 2 plus y minus k to the power of 2 is equal to radius square. Your center is x minus 4 to the power of 2 plus y minus -2, yung value ng k, to the power of 2 equals your radius square is 18 here, from here. So, 18 is equal to r square. R square. Simplifying again, kasi we have this another grouping symbol. X minus 4 to the power of 2 plus, this will become positive, y plus 2 to the power of 2 equals 18. Then this will be your final answer as the standard form of the equation of a circle. Next, the circle in standard form with center 5K and which passes through the point 30 has radius of 8 units. Find the value of K. From the standard form, quantity x minus h to the power of 2 plus the quantity y minus k to the power of 2 is equal to r square. We will have the center point HK, which is equal to the center of the said circle 5K, where K is unknown, and one of its point XY is the point 30. The radius is 8 units. Solve for K. To solve for K, substitute everything that you have from your standard form. we have x, h, and r. Your x is 3. Your h is 5. Your y is 0. And your radius is 8. K is missing. 3 minus 5 is negative 2, while 0 minus k is negative k. 8 squared is equal to 64. Negative 2 to the power of 2 and negative k to the power of 2 is 4 plus k squared equals 64. Solve for k. K squared is equal to 64 minus 4. So we have k squared is equal to 60, or 2 is square root of 15, or in decimal form we have 7.75. Next is writing the general equation of the circle. We have to write the general equation of the circle. Kanina kasi standard equation of the circle lang. Find the general equation of a circle with a center at the point 6, negative 2 and with radius of 7 units. Okay. To find for the general equation of a circle with the center and the radius, we may use the standard form as the beginning process. Standard form: x minus h to the power of 2 plus y minus k to the power of 2 is equal to r to the power of 2, or r squared. Given the center 6, negative 2, so we have x minus, this will be our h and this is your k. X minus 6 to the power of 2 plus y minus negative 2 to the power of 2 equals, your radius is 7 units, so 7 square. Simplify. X minus 6 to the power of 2 plus, we have y plus 2, since negative times negative is positive, to the power of 2 equals, this will be 7 square, 49. This is the standard form of the equation of the circle, but you are asked to find the general equation of the circle. Therefore, you have to expand this one. X minus 6 to the power of 2 is x square, x times x, x square. Then multiply for the middle term, 2 times x times negative 6 is negative 12x. Then square the second term, which means positive 6 square is 36. Plus, let's have this one, y plus 2 to the power of 2. Square the first term, y square. Multiply 2 times y times 2 is positive 4y. Then square the second term, positive 4, equals 49. Okay. The general equation of a circle is in the form x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ex plus f equals 0. So let us arrange this in this format. We have x squared minus, so we have y plus y squared. Then, in terms of x, negative 12x. In terms of dx, I'm sorry, this is y. This is y. F here is constant. 12x, then positive 4 y. Then, for the constants, positive 36 and positive 4. Then, transpose this one, negative 49 equals 0. Continue simplifying. We have x squared plus y squared minus 12x plus 4y. Then, from here, 36 plus 4, 40, minus 49, we have negative 9 equals 0. So then this will be your final equation in general form. What if you are asked to convert general form to standard form? Let's use this example. X squared plus y squared minus 12x plus 4y minus 9 is equal to 0. Just to check if this answer will lead to this standard form. Okay. Separate all terms with x and with y. So, we have x squared minus 12x plus, let's have another blank here, plus for all y, y squared plus 4y plus leave another blank here equals, let's transpose negative 9 here, it will become positive 9 plus whatever you add in the left will be added to the right. That is called, we have to use the completing the square. Let's complete the square on the first group. In completing the square, you have to take the half of the middle term. Half of negative 12 is negative 6. Negative 6. Therefore, we have x squared minus 12x plus, this will be negative 6, half. Then, take the square, 36. Here. Plus y squared plus 4y plus half of 4 in middle term, half of the middle term is 2. Take the square, 4. So we have here 4. So we added 36 and 4 in the left side. We will have to add it also to the right side. 4 plus 36 plus 4. So from this trinomial, let's convert it to its equivalent binomial square. We have here x minus 6 to the power of 2. Since x squared, x times x here is x squared. Negative 6 squared is positive 36. And the middle term here is the product of 2 times x times negative 6, negative 12x. So correct. Plus, the same goes with this one, y plus 2. Since 2 times y times 2 is 4y, nasa middle term, the square of the first and the square of the last. Okay? Then, 9 plus 36 plus 4 is equal to 49. So, as you notice, this one is the standard form of the given circle here. So this is similar. Therefore, our answer for the general form is correct. Next, find the radius and the center of the circle defined by the equation x squared plus y squared plus 12x minus 8y minus 12 is equal to 0. To know what is the radius in the center of this circle in general form, you have to convert it first to standard form. Again, to convert general to standard, you have to separate all x's and all y's. So x squared plus 12x, I take this one, I take this one, plus another term, plus, in terms of all y's naman, you have y squared, and negative 8y, plus another to make it trinomial, equals, let us transpose negative 12, it will become positive 12, plus all constants that you added to the left side must also be added to the right side. Next, completing this trinomial means completing the square. We have, I take the square root of the first term x, then okay, so let's complete this first one. So x squared plus 12x plus, take the half of 12, 6, half of the middle term is 6 kasi 12 divided by 2, 6. Then take the square. 6 square is 36. Okay? Good. Plus y square minus 8y plus, again, take the half of the middle term, negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4, then square. Negative 4 square is positive 16, equals 12 plus, I added 36 and I add also 60. Convert this trinomial to binomial square. We have the square root of x squared x. Positive yung sign, so positive. The square root of 36 is 6. So the power of 2. Let's check if it is fitted to the second term. 2 times x, 2x times 6 is 12x, correct. Plus, the other way around, we have y and 4. Negative yung sign, square. To check, 2 times y times negative 4 is negative 8 sa middle term, negative 8y, correct. Equals 12 plus 36 plus 16 is equal to how many? $60, 64. 64. Therefore, our radius or the center is negative 6 from here, and the value of k is positive 4, while our radius is equal to, since 64 to, and this is r square is 64, therefore r is equal to 8. So the radius is equal to 8. So this will be our final answer. Center, negative 64, and the radius is positive 8. Okay, that's all for today's topic. Thank you for listening and try answering your module now. Goodbye.